Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BLNK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going into the weekend. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above the $2.80 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.80, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 280 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at, seems as though the majority showed up right around $3.15. Yeah, I get it. The price did actually spike up with the $3.30. But as far as kind of where the majority of the data points are and, what I would consider just the overall point of price congestion, I think we can all agree that there just seems to be more, areas of these higher upper wicks of the shadow, upper wicks of the candles. There we go. Can you tell it's Friday? Right up there around the 315 mark. So that, in my mind, at least, is going to be, the key battleground going forward. But at the end of the day, resistance levels really don't matter much. What matters the most is what this chart has already been doing, and that is building higher bases. So as long as higher bases continue to be built, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, so as long as higher stair steps are built, everything else eventually takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. But very nice move today to close out the week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.